Good day, my name is Rian B. Bactong and today I will discuss all about work, power, and energy. So work is done when a constant force is applied on an object and causes an object to move in the same direction as the force applied. So in order for work to exist, we must have force, newtons, and the displacement. So this is the following formula for work. So we must have work multiplied by an object's displacement. The unit for measurement also for work is joules, and for force is newtons, and for displacement we have meters. So what is not considered as work done? So you push against a wall, jumping continuously on the same spot, holding a chair, and walking around the classroom. So what is power? Power is the rate of doing work, the amount of work applied to an object per unit of time. So the unit of measurement of power is watts, and for work we have joules and time. So this is usually in seconds, so that is the formula in order to get power. So power is equals to work over time. Standard unit for power is watts or joule per second. So this term is derived from James Watt, the famous Scottish engineer who invented the first modern condensing steam engine. So 1 watt is equal to the 1 joule. So work done in 1 second. So a 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. So what is energy? So in physics, energy is the quantitative property that must be transferred to an object in order to perform work. So it is the capacity or ability to do work. So it is transferred by a force moving an object through a distance. So it is a work is a method of transferring energy. So we have forms of energy, including kinetic energy, energy of movement, thermal energy, energy of moving particles or heat, mechanical energy, energy of objects in motion, electrical energy, energy of particles moving through a wire, magnetic energy, energy causing push or pull, potential energy, stored energy, chemical energy, energy stored in food and fuel, elastic energy, energy stored in objects that are stretched, nuclear energy, energy stored in center of particles, gravitational energy, energy stored in an object when it is above the Earth's surface. So mechanical energy is the energy that is possessed by an object due to its motion or due to its position. So in physics, mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is a form of mechanical energy that is present in moving objects. So kinetic energy is the energy an object has because of its motion. So what are the factors affecting kinetic energy? The mass of an object and the speed of an object. So potential energy, it is a form of mechanical energy that is possessed by an object at rest. So it is also stored energy by an object due to an object's position above the ground. So what are the factors affecting potential energy? So the mass of an object, the height of an object from the ground. So m is mass, J is acceleration due to Earth's gravity, h is the height of an object from the ground. So law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Rather, it can only be transformed or transferred from one form to another, so that a system always has the same amount of energy. Energy is converted into several forms, but the overall energy does remain the same.